showing you how to change your upstream O2 sensor in this 2012 Ford Fiesta 1.6 liter. Now this will also pertain to other years of this car. So let's get to work. Let's show you where it is and what we're going to do. Alright, so finding the upstream sensor is pretty easy. Look right there at that green plug-in right here and follow it down, and that is the O2 sensor right there in the manifold. Alright, so first things first, we'll go ahead and disconnect the sensor. And I'm just going to go ahead and pull it out of this little placeholder there. Turn around where you can see. Clip here. You're going to push. And pull apart. Go ahead and set that back in there. Right now I'm going to be using O2 sensor socket. And basically just reaching back behind there to get to it. Which is probably the most difficult part about this, is reaching it. So make sure you're all the way on it. Once you're all the way on it, just pull and loosen it. Which, already got it loose. So, I can just go by hand now. Twist it out. Now here is the new O2 sensor that I'm using. As you can see, it's exactly the same. Now make sure you add the supply compound. Around the threads. And now this is going to be pretty simple. It's going to reach back down in here where it was. Thread it in by hand. Which sometimes you'll have to grab the wire because it likes to bounce around and get in the way. And once you got it snug by hand, we can go back and tighten it up. Make sure you're all the way down on it. There we go. That was probably tighter than what it was when it came off. Then, simply bring the wiring harness back up. Plug it back in. And it's good. Alright, now there it is. That is extremely easy to do. Sometimes those O2 sensors are kind of froze up or locked up sometimes. That one came out extremely easy, which wasn't too bad. Sometimes they require a little bit more force than that. Sometimes you need a breakover bar or a cheater bar in order to get it, which luckily there should be room if you come in like this and have the cheater bar or breakover bar come in this way, where you can turn it real quick and get to it. Now I hope this information proved helpful to you. As always, thanks for watching.